In this tutorial, I will give you an overview on AppointmentReminders.com triggers. Triggers allow you to create multiple reminders for an appointment or send text or email alerts when certain conditions are met. Here are some examples of what you could use triggers for. Roll failed text messages to calls. Roll failed calls to emails. Send one reminder a week prior and another a day prior to the appointment. Send a text or email alert to yourself when a customer cancels or confirms an appointment. Send a follow-up text, call, or email to a customer after an appointment. To get to the Triggers page, hover over the navigation menu and select Reminder Settings, General Reminder Settings, Triggers/Rules. Here you will see a list of all the triggers that you have set up. The Add a New Trigger button will allow you to create a new trigger. The View Triggered Alerts button will show you a list of all the text or email alerts that have been triggered. Go ahead and click on the Add a New Trigger button. Trigger name. This is the name of your trigger. This will also be in the View Triggered Alerts page, so choose something that makes logical sense, such as Customer Confirmed Appointment. Reminder Type Seed. This is the reminder type that will initiate the trigger. Choose from any reminder types that you have set up. Result to trigger. This is the result of the reminder type seed that will initiate the trigger. Reminder sent successfully. This will initiate the trigger if the reminder was sent successfully. Reminder attempted, successful, or failed. This will initiate the trigger if the reminder was attempted and either failed or was successful. Reminder sent successfully/no response. This will initiate the trigger if the reminder was sent successfully but no response was given. Waits 24 hours on email and text. Calls trigger immediately. Reminder sent successfully/no response/2 hours passed. This will initiate the trigger if the reminder was sent successfully but no response was given. Waits 2 hours on all reminder types. Reminder failed. This will initiate the trigger if the reminder fails. Possible reasons could be invalid mobile number, no answer, no email, etc. Apt passed/no response. This will initiate the trigger if the reminder was sent successfully but no response was given and the appointment date and time has passed. Response to 1, 2, or 3. This will initiate the trigger if the reminder was sent successfully and the person responded with your response to 1, 2, or 3 value. Triggered action. This is what will happen if the trigger is initiated. Possible options are Schedule Reminder. This will schedule a reminder for whatever you choose in the REM type triggered field. This is the most common option and will allow you to set up multiple reminders for an appointment. All values from the original reminder type will be carried over, such as name, appointment date and time, etc. Send Email Alert. This will send an email alert to the email address that you enter. Send Text Alert. This will send a text alert to the phone number that you enter. We have links below to help you create different triggers for different scenarios. You can also visit our Help Docs page for lots of info on creating triggers.